Thank you very much, Kevin. How are you doing today?
Pretty good. Thank you very much.
That's good. It's great to have you with us, joining the Irish Night of Blue live stream concert series. We've had a couple folks of your, what's the right word here? Venerable folks as yourself join, but we're very happy to have you back with us always in Portland, Maine. I know it's a favorite place of yours as well, and
Yeah, pleasure to be there, even though I'm not actually there. But spirit, I am. Yeah.
and welcome to everybody out there who might be joining us live and or watching this a little later. It's a good day in America. You know, from my previous broadcast, I've been unshy about my stance and what's going on these days, but very happy with the news today. Congratulations to democracy and to our country. And it's also 70 degrees in November in Portland, Maine, which is probably due to some kind of climate change, but I'm going to take it. And we had a nice, lovely walk, and I got my Make America Grateful shirt on again, and we're having a good day. So we're going to have a little time with Kevin today, and he's going to be joining us next week on Wednesday, November 11th. At 8 p.m. Eastern Time. That's 5 p.m. out there on the left coast for a live concert. Please come back and join us then. What do you got in store for us, Kevin? Anything special? Little interpretive dance?
I haven't anything special yet, but I'm hoping I'll come up with something special for the evening.
Well, if you just play the fiddle, that'd be special enough for
The whole
me, for
thing's
most
going
of
to
us.
be a special evening for me, anyway.
Well, this has been going on for a while, folks. We've been doing this weekly. It's coming to an end sometime in towards the end of December, actually. Now we added a show with Sean Gavin on the 23rd. That'll be the last show in the weekly series. And then next year, we'll try and do a couple here and there. We're going to slow it down a little bit, take care of business at home and whatnot. But please join us and sign up for the upcoming shows and get in there and let us know you're there in the chat and have some fun while it still lasts. And this is going to be a great one to catch. You want to give us a little sample of what we might hear next week, Kevin?
Yeah.
I'm going to go away then. All right.
So that was the
Fantastic.
Rise of the Loch, and by Wednesday I should have a few more tunes to go along with it.
All right. Get learning them now.
Yeah.
Beautiful as always. Thank you so much. So, all right, everybody, that's proof in the pudding right there. I don't know what I'm saying today. I'm giddy with excitement. But come back, please, and join us Wednesday night, November 11th, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 5 p.m. West Coast time. What do you call that? Pacific time? Yeah. And elsewhere. Come back and see us for a live show from Mr. Kevin Burke, probably the most famous fiddle player in Irish music. At least he should be.
Be great to see you. Been looking forward.
Yeah, likewise. It's good to see you even virtually, and we hope again in person very, very soon. All right, so if that's all we got, we'll see you all next Wednesday. Be nice to each other out there. See you then, Kevin.
See you, Tom. Thanks a million.